Hey you guys, welcome back to Vlogmas, you guys. Y'all know I had to throw a little sponsor video in the Vlogmas, but thank you to Shine Hair for sponsoring today's wig install, you guys. They sent me all these beautiful goodies, and most importantly, y'all, they sent me this gorgeous Kinky wig, you guys. It's 24 inches long, and I believe it is a 13x4 frontal. What makes this wig so special, you guys, as y'all can tell, the edges are kinky, okay? It's given very much African-American hair without the perm, y'all. That hair that we was, well, my hair looked like this growing up, okay? So before we hop into the video, you guys, I want to let you guys know until December 16th, which is a couple days away, they are doing HD lace wigs up to $100 off. They're doing buy one, get one free wigs. And most importantly, they're doing this wig that I'm showing you guys with the kinky hairlines, y'all. They are $100 off. If you guys are interested, go ahead and check the description bar down below. Now, getting into the wig, y'all, I just wanted to see what it would look like on my head. When I got the wig, I was a little nervous, y'all, because I'm like, shit, is this going to look good on me? But I found a way to finesse it, okay, y'all? So I did go ahead and bleach the knots, y'all. I did bleach the knots. And then I'm going to go in with my ball cap method because this is a 13x4 frontal, y'all. So I'm just going in with my EB New York spray. Y'all know I love EB New York, y'all. They were also kind enough to send me a PR package about, I think, like last month. So I love EB New York. Y'all already know. Best spray for the wigs, you guys. So I'm a little sick, y'all, if y'all can't tell. But I'm also going in with the EB New York lace tint spray. It's called something like that, y'all. And I'm just spraying the lace so it can match my hair perfectly, well, my skin color, okay, y'all? So these are the edges that come with the wig, you guys. Very kinky, y'all. Very, very kinky. And I was nervous because I'm like, I don't really know what I'm going to do with this wig. But I think I did my thing. I did go ahead and straighten this wig. And I did go ahead and curl the baby hairs. You guys will see that a little later. I don't want to sit here and talk too much, y'all. So I'm going to let y'all go ahead and enjoy the video. Do not forget to leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you are not subscribed. And check out Shine Hair's wig sale, y'all. A big, big, big wig sale that they're having on their website. And if I have a coupon code out, that will be linked down below, you guys. I do not make money off the coupon code. It's just for you guys in case you guys want to use it. So I love you guys. I will see y'all in my next vlog. And thank you again to Shine Hair Wig for sponsoring today's video.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space. is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe you're brave, boy, you're my weakness. Giving we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Feels like the first time. Throw away all my pride. Don't wanna say I love you first, but holding it in just might make me burst. Love in the open, daydreaming, hoping, melting in our make-believe new worlds. Whispering winds bring the remembrance that you're my girl. No shame, no games. I wanna fall in love, fall in love. I'll be your savage, I'll be your baddest bitch. Or do you like sweet caramel honey dipped? I'm yours till the beat flips. Don't let it slip. Give up my power. Yes, afraid to lose each other. Counting the hours till I see you again. Could you be life, lover, and best friend? Waiting for text back, wondering where you at, or who could you be with? No, I'm not
get away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Giving we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.